Good afternoon, everyone. So, today we will learn about different types of gates in horse. So, as we are knowing that the walk is the most useful gate of horse, and it has been termed as mother of all the gates. So, it is a 4-bit gate, uh, which is modification of walk, and the walk is characterized by four separate and distinct beat, and each foot is placed in a regular 1 2 3 4 cadence. So say in this picture you can clearly see that. I am going to show you that also. Here, see, dotted line indicates the leg is in the air. So at a particular time period, three legs will be in the uh, on the ground and one leg will be in there. So it is in alternative 1 2 3 4 manner. So suppose I am pausing this GIF, this video. You can clearly see this thing. See, over here one leg is in the air while other three are on the ground. Similarly, I am again pausing it. See, this leg, this four right foreleg is going to be say kept on the floor on the ground, while this left hind leg will be in the air. Same way again I am going to pose it. See, so this is walk. Another is a trot. So trot is a 2-bit gate in which the diagonal fore and hind legs move together. So here the diagonal cross legs, one leg from the fore type and another that is from hind region. So in diagonally 2-bit gate work will be there, that is termed as trot. So suppose I am going to pause it. See over here. See, the brown color indicate right leg and the blue purple color that indicates left leg. So here you can clearly see that one brown and one purple legs, say in the diagonal direction, are on the ground and other two are in the air. So it is a cross, or we can say diagonal 2-bit gate. Similarly, pace. So pace is the lateral 2-bit gate, and two legs on the same side of the horse move forward together, and 2 feet are always off the ground. So here the dotted line indicates the legs are in the air, while this complete purple color with the background indicates the legs are on the ground. So it is faster than trot, and it is popular gait for harness racing when speed is preferred over action. Similarly, another gate that is canter. So canter is the faster gate and 3-bit gate which can be done under restraining. So this is done under restraining, but here what happens, three legs will be in the air while one leg will be on the ground at a particular time period. So see over here, I have paused the video and you can clearly see that one leg here in this diagram. You can see that the right hind leg is on the ground, while as I have paused this video GIF, you can see that the left foreleg is on the ground while other three are in the air. See, similarly, it is in alternate manner. So all the three legs are on the ground at particular point of time with one leg that is in the air. So alternatively, it will move. So this is canter. Uh, Next walk is, or next gait is gallop or run. So the gallop or run is the fastest gait of the horse, and it is just an extended canter that result in 4-bit gate, that is known as gallop. So for a particular time period, all the legs will be in the air and all the legs will be on the ground, that is in alternate manner, just like canter. So here I am going to again pose the GIF. See, all the legs are in the air. Similarly, what happens in canter, see over here, these three legs are on the ground while one, this purple left foreleg, left foreleg is in the air. Similarly, I am posing again and again. So see over here, this right foreleg, that indicates uh, the action of canter. So just like canter, see over here this, so it is gallop or run is the extended canter, nothing else. Now this is a small video which is I have downloaded from YouTube only, and this is for only educational purpose I am going to show you. So this is walk, where three legs will be on the ground while one leg is in the air for a particular time period. See, so one, it will move in a sequential manner, 1 2 3 4. Same way another gait is pace. So the movement of fore and hind limb, sorry, so the movement of both lateral side, a single side, left or right side, will be, the movement of forward will be, see over here, see, the left side leg will be on the ground while right side legs will be in the air. See, now right side legs are on the ground while left side legs are in the air. See, so this is pace. So this is the exact posture of the pace. This is canter. So one leg is on the ground while other three are in the air. So three legs are on the ground and one is in the air. Alternatively, three legs will be in the air and one leg will be on the ground. See, three legs will be, three legs are in the air and one leg is on the ground. Now it is gallop. So it is extended canter, but all the legs will be in there for a particular time period. See, this is canter. Three legs are in the air and one leg is on the ground. So this is the exact posture, we can say, where all the legs are in the air. So this is all about the gait of horse. Thank you.